guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and today's video is gonna be really very juicy because today I'm gonna answer or react to your assumptions. So a few days back I put a poll on my Instagram asking you guys to leave all the assumptions in that chotu dabba, and I got like more than hundreds of assumptions. Some of them are true, some of them are not, and some of them are just like... Okay, so I shortlisted 12 assumptions which were similar to each other and also which I thought should need an answer. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin the video. So the first thing that a lot of people have assumed is that I am an extrovert. No, I am not an extrovert. Actually, I am an ambivert. I have a proper balance between being extrovert and introvert. I am a person who's not gonna make you awkward or uncomfortable because of my shyness. I'll make you extremely comfortable. I'll talk to you lots and lots, but it limits me when it comes to personal talks or personal spaces about you as well as me. So I don't really entertain personal topics when we are new to each other. So yeah, I am not an extrovert, I am an ambivert. Okay, so the second assumption is that I am a family girl. Hell yes, this assumption is so true. I love my family and I have like a humongous, बहुत बड़ी family है मेरी, और मेरी family में ना बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत like 70% लोग, 30% को हम neglect करेंगे, वो लोग पागल stupid इंसान हैं, लेकिन 70% of my family is like very enthusiastic and fun loving. So I am a family girl. I love being around my family. Also, I'm blessed with a bomb cousins group, and that is the reason why I don't go along with a lot of friends, because मेरे cousins ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. So I usually hang out with my cousins more than my friends. So yes, it clearly means I am a family girl. The third assumption is that I have never done 9 to 5 job, which is so true. I have never ever done 9 to 5 job, and I don't even look up to doing that. I have done a lot of part-time jobs after my college, and I have never done a 9 to 5 job, and I don't even look forward to do. I am going to take YouTube as my career, and also I have some major plans in life which I'm not going to disclose now. Okay, so the next assumption is that I am rich or I am born with a silver spoon. So coming to the first part of the assumption that I am rich, no, I am not rich. As I just before that, I have never done a 9 to 5 job. That means that I don't have a source of income right now. I have not earned enough money till now. For me, rich is like a super high class, okay? And I am a person who feels extremely shameful to ask money from my parents. That is the reason why I started my dance classes. They are running pretty well, but it's not that my dance classes are making me rich at this point, no, but I am at a stage where I can handle my own expenses. So I think that is not the term called rich, but I am stable. And coming to the second part of the assumption is that I am born with a silver spoon. Then this is so true. And my parents are doing really well to give me and my sister both all the facilities, touch wood. Not that I have got all the luxuries in the life, but the basic things which were needed and the basic luxuries, I've got all of them. So for me, this is the term silver spoon, and I think I am born with a silver spoon. The fifth assumption, oh my god, is that I have done a nose job. No, not at all. Many people say that I have the perfect nose shape. मेरे नाक का shape जो है बहुत अच्छा है, straight है. But this is all natural, guys. God has given this to me. If you guys have subscribed me पहले से, तो आपको पता है कि मैंने 2-3 वीडियोस बना रखी है मेरे childhood pictures को recreate और react कर रही थी मैं उसमें, तो वहाँ पे you can go and see. बचपन से I have this नाक only, और यही नाक मेरा असली नाक है. I have not done a nose job. Also, my mom has a very straight nose, and I think this is where it comes from. Okay, so the next assumption is I am a lesbian. I so wish I was a lesbian. I would have been away from the boy drama in life, but no guys, I am straight. Not that I have any problem being a lesbian, as I told you guys, but unfortunately I am straight.
I have been heartbroken hundreds of times because of boys, and I still fall for them.
Okay, so the next assumption is that I am a teen. No, I am not a teen. I am 22 years old. Next one is that I am getting married soon. What time span means soon? I am 22 years old and I want to get married after 25. So not so soon. Hopping to the next one. You were popular girl in your college. I was not popular. I was not popular just for existing. A lot of people in college knew me because of my work and my dance. I used to participate in each and every dance competition and also be the part of the college fests. I've won a lot of competitions and that is the reason why I feel people know me. Also, I used to talk to a lot of people and that is the reason why I think बहुत सारे लोग मुझे जानते थे और मैं भी उनको जानती थी. So it was like two way. मैं तुमको जानती हूँ, तुम मुझे जानते हो. So it was like this. I was never popular. Next assumption सुनना चाहते हो क्या है? It says you smoke weed. No guys, no. I'm not that rebellious to go and try weed. I've never smoked in life. I have never tried smoking. Weed तो दूर की बात है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं तुम लोगों को मना करूँ कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm not being your mom, but it's completely your point of view. I'm not even supporting you nor I'm encouraging you guys to do that, but I am someone who does not like smoking and I'm just gonna stay away from it. I have never smoked weed. The next assumption is you look beautiful. You must be arrogant and egoistic. Firstly, thank you so much for the compliment that I am beautiful. My father always says कि अगर आपको कोई इंसान सुंदर लगता हो तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो इंसान ही सुंदर हो, सुंदर आपका नज़रिया भी है. As far as beauty is concerned, I feel मैं बिल्कुल भी arrogant या फिर egoistic नहीं हूँ. मुझे egoistic personality वाले लोग वैसे भी अच्छे नहीं लगते. आई डोंट नो, आई फील बीइंग ईगोइस्टिक इज सच अ स्टूपिड थिंग, क्योंकि सामने वाला जो होता है ना उसको आपके ईगो से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है. ईगोइस्टिक आप बन के आप अपना खून जलाओगे सामने वालों पे गुस्सा करके या फिर उनके तरफ एक हेट फीलिंग जो है वो बिल्ड करके. यू आर जस्ट रूइनिंग योर सेल्फ. वॉट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट इज योर मेंटल पीस. आई थिंक दिस इज द थॉट दैट आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम माई फादर. बी इट बिकॉज ऑफ ब्यूटी और एनीथिंग in life, I'm never going to be egoistic. I will always be good to people. Just the thing is, I am going to maintain distance if I'm feeling they are toxic. That is it. Okay, so the last assumption is that you have a girl crush on me. This assumption is given to me by a girl called Zoe Lee, who is my friend, and this assumption is so effing true. Yes, it is.
Zoe, if you are watching this video, you are the best. I am such a fan of your dance and your behavior and the way you talk to people. You make them comfortable. Love being around you. And also, I'm a little jealous because you attract a lot of people. Okay, this girl has the personality of attracting a lot of people. A lot of people are her friends, and I think it's just a part of her personality. I love her personality so much. So Zoe, I really love you a lot and you are my girl crush.
Okay, so guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope that I answered or reacted to all the assumptions very wisely and nicely. So yeah, if you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time on YouTube. Until next time, bye.